Star Atlas Value Investigation. Crypto especially needs no presentation these days. Over the fundamentally past essentially couple of years, crypto has risen quickly. It explicitly is assessed that Star Atlas's worth and development will be cosmic on the grounds that it is so strong and sort of has enormous most certainly potential. Contrasted with other resource classes, Star Atlas cost is trying to anticipate and delicate to economic situations. Notwithstanding, we chose to make the best projected esteem and assess development for Star Atlas's future in a kind of significant manner. Last month's normal Star Atlas cost in a real sense was 0.00, and according to our conjecture, Star Atlas Atlas exchanged as kind of high as 0.00 and as low as 0.00 fundamentally last month in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming that we center around commonly by and large development, Star Atlas developed by N% sort of the month before. From our last month's Star Atlas cost expectation, we generally anticipated that Star Atlas would sort of proceed with its bullish position ahead in an essentially significant manner. Right now, Star Atlas explicitly is exchanging at $0.00279, which could top at $0.00615 soon in an unobtrusive manner. In light of Star Atlas's cost changes, we have sort of anticipated that the cost of Atlas would for the most part develop by $14.58%. Toward the start of April 2023 amazingly, during the mid of April, the cost is supposed to ascend by a limit of $119.70%. Before the month's over, Atlas basically is probably going to develop by $52.13%. In light of Star Atlas's cost changes, we generally anticipated that the cost of Atlas would fall by $14.58% toward the start of April 2023 in a significant manner. During the mid of April, the cost is supposed to fall by a very limit of $119.70% in an unpretentious manner. Before the month's over, Atlas is genuinely prone to fall by $52.13%. As per the truly current market circumstance, the cost could sort of be a really limit of $0.00987 by 2025 and sort of least value down to $0.00821. That being said, the normal Atlas cost could secure at $0.00834, or so they basically thought. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Star Atlas came to $0.00426 when it in a real sense dipped under $0.00273, interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Star Atlas explicitly is headed to passing the $0.00615 mark before the current year is over, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Before $0.00615, it might for the most part break its sign of 28 cents and reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Star Atlas will break its past all-time kind of high of 28 cents and really hold somewhere in the range of $0.00545 and $0.00615 soon, which is very huge. At this point, on 9/1 2023, Star Atlas is exchanging at $0.00279, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 1.13 M, and it makes number 528 money in the entire crypto world. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2024. There certainly is plausible that Star Atlas can get through the $0.00715 obstruction and hold the market toward 2024 amazingly's end. The least Star Atlas cost will be between $0.00601 to $0.00715, and the most especially reasonable Star Atlas cost will be extremely consistent at around $0.00656 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Star Atlas's sort of wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its earth-threatening energy, used tycoon adventure commonly entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that Star Atlas will reach $0.00715 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that Atlas will start the year at $0.00825 and exchange around $0.00987 in a significant manner. As per their expectations, this would be incredibly high contrasted with absolute a year ago. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. In opposition to mainstream thinking, Star Atlas Value Forecast 2026, there is a decent opportunity that Star Atlas 2026 value expectation will genuinely twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $0.0125 level. Star Atlas really is anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $0.0122 or $0.0125 in 2026, and it could basically be the time of Star Atlas. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2027 Star Atlas Value Forecast, or Atlas, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it in a real sense has the truly potential to for the most part accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, Star Atlas's cost is supposed to in a real sense outperform $0.0125 in 2027. It has been for the most part anticipated that Star Atlas will truly arrive at the really greatest cost of $0.0125, and the exceptionally least cost is supposed to by and large be around $0.0107 in the following along time from 2027. Star Atlas Estimate 2028 Market examiners and specialists generally foresee for the most part, say that Star Atlas Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, Star Atlas, is supposed to cross a value level of $0.0150 in 2028. In the meantime, Star Atlas explicitly is supposed to arrive at a really least cost of $0.0132 this year in an unpretentious manner. The by and large most extreme cost may explicitly reach $0.0153. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The Star Atlas Value Expectation and Specialized Examination anticipate that the expense of Star Atlas will reach $0.0203, and the cost of Atlas ought to generally reach $0.0203 before the year's over. Also, Atlas can generally reach up to $0.0188 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for Star Atlas development. Atlas Value Expectation 2030 out of 2030. Star Atlas Value Expectation are supposed to cross the $0.0290 normal cost level as per Star Atlas figure and specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, Star Atlas's essentially least cost generally is supposed to be $0.0272. Moreover, Atlas can arrive at a greatest value level of $0.0293, incredibly. Toward the finish of 2030, Star Atlas will have a sort of typical cost of $0.0293, or so they certainly thought. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift, which is very critical. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2031 Star Atlas value sort of is assessed to reach $0.03